Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the width of a rectangular dance floor is W feet. We're told the length is 6 feet longer than the width. So if the width is W, 6 feet longer than W is W plus 6. So we now have the width and the length of this rectangular dance floor, and we're asked, which of the following expresses the perimeter of the dance floor? So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? This is the width and this is the length. Well, we have the width plus the length plus the width again plus the length again is equal to, this is equal to the perimeter. Right, this is equal to W plus W is 2W, L plus L is 2L. So 2 times the width plus 2 times the length is going to be your perimeter. Well, 2 times the width, we can keep that as it is. But 2 times the length, we know the length is W plus 6, right? It's the width plus 6. So if we plug in W plus 6 where we see L, we now have an expression only with W in it, which is what we have in our answers, so we know we're on the right track. So we have 2W plus, then we have to distribute this 2. So we have 2 times W is 2W, plus 2 times 6 is plus 12. 2W plus 2W is 4W, plus 12 is going to be your final expression. So this is the perimeter, lines up with B, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.